Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to change your Blink payment method in 2025. Whether you're switching to a new credit card, updating your bank details, or just managing your subscriptions more efficiently, this step-by-step tutorial will have you sorted in no time. Blink has made this process super straightforward, but I'll walk you through it to avoid any hiccups. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Blink app installed on your phone or access it via their website on your computer. This ensures you're working with the 2025 updates for a smoother experience. Once you're ready, open the app and log in to your account using your email and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you'll get a code. Go ahead and enter that to proceed. Now, head over to the Settings menu. You can usually find this by tapping the profile icon in the top right corner or by swiping to the side menu, depending on your device. In the Settings, look for the Payment Methods or Billing section. It's often under Account or Subscriptions, so scan through until you spot it. Once you're in the Payment Methods area, you'll see your current payment details listed. Tap on the one you want to change, and an edit option should appear. Here, you can remove the old method by selecting Delete or Remove. Then, add your new payment method, whether it's a debit card, credit card, or even a digital wallet like PayPal. Double-check the details for accuracy to prevent any transaction issues. After entering the new information, hit Save or Update. Blink might ask you to verify the changes with a one-time code sent to your email or phone, so keep an eye out for that. Once verified, your new payment method will be active. A quick tip: if you run into any errors, like a declined card, make sure to check your bank's app for holds or contact Blink support through their help center. This whole process should only take a couple of minutes, but it's a great way to keep your finances secure and up to date. There you have it. Changing your Blink payment method is easier than ever in 2025. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop a comment below if you have questions, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.